Ladies, I have cracked the code. Listen, feeling great, having an optimal metabolism, and reaching our health goals permanently and sustainably, even as we age, doesn't have to be as hard or as complicated as you have been led to believe. If you've been told to exercise more, eat less, track your calories, track your macros, save up your points, do a juice cleanse, starve your body, or do pre-packaged meals, then all of these things you don't need to do. And I am here to teach you how I've been helping people all over like the last 7 or 8 years to reset their metabolism, do it permanently, and all by doing one very simple thing. And that is really fixing the root cause of a sluggish metabolism. Once you know what causes a sluggish metabolism and you know how to fix that, then the symptoms of the sluggish metabolism, they go away. Things like prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, yes, right? High blood pressure, lack of energy, things like hot flashes, and even autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's thyroiditis and stomach problems are greatly improved. And my metabolic reset program works every time. It works every time. I am Erica Vonderleith, and if you want to know what causes a sluggish metabolism, how to fix it, and how to do it sustainably so you can enjoy certain treats, snacks, travel, eat out, not stress and obsess all of the time, then I want you to schedule a call with me and see if my metabolic reset program is what you've been waiting for so long. So I want you to check the link below or in my bio. There should be a link to schedule your call with me today. Take care.